That's so bad. So fucking bad. Holy shit. I didn't even watch that much SpongeBob. I gotta do. I feel like I do Squidward better, right?
SpongeBob. 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 Ah, 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 ah.
There's this like specific clip of Squidward laughing. I don't know. I feel like they do this with a lot of things, but it's like a clip of Squidward laughing, and then it transitions into Gorilla's Feel Good Inc. You know, so it's like. Feel good. Dun, 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 dun.
Feel good. I'm ready. I'm ready. Feel good. I'm ready. I'm ready. Feel good. I'm ready. I'm ready. Feel good. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Right? And I've seen that done with so many things. There's like what else is that? There's like a seagull. There's a video of the seagull laughing. Have you have you guys seen the what is it again? It's like a volcanic gull or something. What is it? The Tidus gull from Final Fantasy. The Tidus gull. What is the actual thing? It's like a Galapagos. It's like some kind of Galapagos like volcanic seagull or something. God damn, where is that thing? Does anyone know what I'm talking about? There's a regular white seagull. I don't know what you call them. Just a regular seagull, and there's a video where he like thrusts his head back, and he's like, and they do that as well. They do that, and they make it into the what do you call it? Feel Good Inc. And then there's like a Galapagos lava gull. The laughing bird. If you look this up, Galapagos lava gull, the laughing bird, it laughs exactly like Tidus from Final Fantasy. It's like a dark brown bird, and I don't know why it does this, but it sort of charges up and then laughs. It's like I don't know. How does Tidus laugh again in the English version? It's kind of different in the English and the Japanese. Like the Japanese, like ah ha 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 ha. It's like that, and then in English, it's like ha 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 ha. Right? But then the seagull is like. What am I doing right now? It's different types of laughs. God damn. Anyway. That's a funny bird. He laughs. He laughs like a Final Fantasy character. Ah, sheesh. Birds. Birds.